Hey there, are you ready to up your online presence and create epically awesome YouTube thumbnails that stand out just like this one and get you noticed? Then stay tuned, because today I am going to show you how you can look exactly like the pros and create your own awesomely epic YouTube thumbnails in 5 minutes or less, even if you have zero design skills. Check it out. Well, you've seen them, they stand out, and you want to know, how do you create those awesomely epic YouTube thumbnails that just help you stand out from the crowd, right? Well, don't you worry, because today I am going to show you a low-tech solution, even if you have absolutely zero design skills. By the end of watching this tutorial, you'll be able to look just like the pros, absolutely free, in 5 minutes or less. So let's go to the design studio. All right, guys, today I'm going to show you how to create an epically awesome YouTube thumbnail similar to the one that you see right here. Okay, I created this in like, I don't know, 5 minutes. And so I'm going to show you my secret weapon that I use when I need to create a quick YouTube thumbnail. And you have no need to have any design skills whatsoever, just kind of like an idea of what you want to do. Now, before I show you the website that I use to go ahead and create these things, I wanted you to keep a few things in mind. When you're creating your YouTube thumbnails, make sure that you are using real bold statements, something that catches people's eye as they see, as they're scrolling down the YouTube feed, because you really want yours to stand out. And also make sure that your YouTube thumbnail reflects your brand. If you go to my YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/BarbieFigueroa, you will see that my brand is very clean but colorful. It's bright and energetic, because that's my brand, and I want to keep it consistent across all channels, and I recommend that you do the same, okay? As you go ahead and up your game and build your online presence and up your online presence, which you should absolutely be doing if you're serious about your business, okay? So without further ado, let's go over to my secret weapon. All right, so I use a website, you may or may not have heard of it, called Canva.com. Okay, so you're just going to go to www.canva.com to create your YouTube thumbnail. All right, now let's just cut right to the chase. There's a lot of things that you can go ahead and explore on this site, but let me go ahead and take you exactly to where you need to go to find the absolutely perfect size for your YouTube thumbnails. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and scroll down to where it says documents, and you're going to choose presentation. This just happens to be the exact perfect size for a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, now what I recommend that you do is you always have a clear image of yourself. Like I have here, I have this one here, and I also have this one here, and you should definitely have clear images that you can work with. Now, you don't always have to put your face in your thumbnail, but if you want brand recognition, I do recommend that you do that. So let's go ahead and just kind of recreate the thumbnail that I did for the one that you just saw. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that you upload any of your images. So if you create a clear image, you want to upload it right through here. You can go ahead and click upload images, and it's going to take you to your computer. Okay, so you have an idea, and I've already uploaded the images beforehand, so you can go like this, and I'm gonna go over here, I'm gonna stretch it out a little bit. Okay, and then what I like to do is there are different elements that you can choose from. So I'm going to go ahead and choose lines. All right. And personally, I like to use this one because it's congruent with my, well, that's not it. I want this one because it's congruent with my look. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and put it here. And I am going to go ahead and change the color here. I use like this aubergine type magenta in all my branding, so I'm just going to do that. And I'm going to stretch it out just a little bit more. And guys, please don't copy my look. If you are looking to up your online presence on the web, just go ahead and visit my website at www.barbiefigueroa.com. Download my online branding cheat sheet, and you can find out how we can up your online presence in the most epically awesome way. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and copy. Right? Why do it twice? Just copy, and I'll just go ahead and put that down here. Okay. Now, let's say this video is about creating epic YouTube thumbnails. All right, so I am going to go here. First of all, I'm going to see if I have the YouTube logo here, and I have a play button, but I don't know that I have a YouTube button. So let's go ahead and see if we can find a YouTube button. Okay, so I'm going to click here, and we do. So I'm going to go ahead and click here. And I'm gonna put that there, and then I am going to put the text. So you're gonna go ahead and add text. Now they have pre-done text here, but I'm just gonna go ahead and start from scratch. Okay, so I'm gonna put this and how, and then you want this to be like a really big type, because you want people to be able to see the thumbnail, because once you go to the YouTube feed, you'll see that you're competing with all other people. So you want to make sure that your YouTube thumbnail stands out. So how to create epically, I don't even know if that's a word, but I like it, awesome YouTube thumbnails. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna use another font. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and use Oswald, because that's one of my favorites. Alrighty, how to create, and then I want epically awesome to stand out. So I'm going to make this like large. Actually, if you want here, let's do this right now. If you want each line to look different, you have to create a separate line. So let me go ahead and create a separate line. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and how to create, and then I'm just gonna duplicate this line because it's just gonna be so much easier. So just click copy, how to create, and then I'm gonna put epically. I'm gonna put it in quotes. Epically awesome okay, so I'm gonna put that, I'm gonna do it in bold, and I might, yeah, that's cool, I'm gonna do it like that, epically awesome, and I'm gonna put here, let's duplicate this again, let me duplicate, copy, I'm gonna bring it down here, and then just put YouTube thumbnails. Okay, and I'm just gonna go here, and I'll put this, and I might put it on the side so that it looks fun and energetic. YouTube thumbnails, and then I want to put for free in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so what we can do is to make this stand out, I'm going to go ahead and go back here, and I'm going to go to shapes. Okay, so let's go to shapes. Okay, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to make it small and put it here, and then send it back. And I'm going to go ahead and make this white so it stands out. And then I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to make this my brand color. So I'm either going to do, yeah, I'll do this. And then I'll change the text to black. Okay. I didn't put a timer because I don't, but it's kind of 5 minutes, right? Boom. And that's it. Let's bring this down just a little bit. And then I'll probably put the different font here just because I want it to have like a fun energy. So let's maybe this one. Yeah, I like that. And then I'm just gonna make it just a tad smaller, put it 52. All right, and that is it. That's a wrap. You are done. Now, I'll probably go ahead and change out this picture only because I already have a YouTube thumbnail with this particular picture, but you get my drift, right? Now, the cool thing is now you can go ahead and name this how to create YouTube thumbnails, and this will keyword your picture, okay? Because now what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload this YouTube thumbnail to YouTube, obviously, but I'm also going to use it in my blog post. And when you write your blog post to match this video post, you want to keyword your pictures, because as people are searching images and they're entering the keyword how to create YouTube thumbnails, your image could pop up in the search results. That is a free golden nugget, and I hope you appreciated and enjoyed that. Go ahead and apply that to your business like now, okay? So we're gonna click done, and then you're gonna download it, and you wanna save it as an image, and it's going to prepare your design, and voila, you are done, okay? Now, the only thing that you need to remember, and I'll put it in the link below my video, you need to make sure that you are, and whoa, this is huge. So let's minimize it here so you can see what it looks like. There you go. Okay, so there's your YouTube thumbnail, and you can use that as the featured image. Ooh, featured image in your blog. So there's your YouTube thumbnail, and you can use it also as your featured image in your blog post, okay? Now, also remember, keep in mind that the only way that you can upload your own custom YouTube thumbnails is you must become a brand partner for YouTube. So I'll have some additional information on the post below on how you can go apply and become a YouTube partner, because that is the only way that you can create your own custom YouTube thumbnail. So make sure, without that, you're not going to be able to upload your own custom YouTube thumbnails. They will choose the ugliest ones, trust me. And if you want to up your online presence and really stand out, then these cool, clean, crisp, awesome YouTube thumbnails that reflect your brand are definitely the way to go, okay?
So how cool was that, right? You can totally look like a pro. You can get it done faster than you can say supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Well, maybe not that fast.
So did you like this tutorial? Did it help you out? Did you find value in it? If you did, please do me a favor and take a moment and click on the share buttons, and make sure to share this content with your friends. And if you are on my YouTube channel right now, make sure to just take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe, and make sure to leave any comments below. And you know the best stuff happens over at www.barbiefigueroa.com. If you haven't visited my website lately, then go ahead, check it out, and make sure you get on my list to stay up to date with the latest marketing tips, training, and tutorials to help you build the business you love, leveraging the power of the internet. Well, do you have a business that you are totally passionate about, but you just don't know to get your message out there and to build your business online? Or is your website in a desperate need of a makeover? Then make sure that you click on the link below this video and download my online branding lead magnet cheat sheet, where you'll learn the 4 tools you can start using daily today to start positioning yourself as an expert, attract the people that you actually want to work with and that you'll love working with, all while you do it completely automatically, so that you can spend more time doing the things that you love. So this has been Barbie Figueroa. Thank you so much for watching. I totally appreciate that you've been here with me, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Oh my God, it is so hot out here. You have no idea. I am in South Florida and it is hotter than Hades and it's humid. I am trying desperately to not have my hair get messed up. Oh my God, it is so hot. It is so hot.